AI software engineer. Salary, $80,000, $130,000. Job description. 1. Develop and implement AI software solutions and algorithms to solve complex problems and improve system performance. 2. Collaborate with cross-functional teams, including data scientists and software engineers, to design and integrate AI components into existing systems. 3. Research and explore new AI techniques, frameworks, and libraries to enhance software capabilities. 4. Create and optimize machine learning models, neural networks, and deep learning algorithms for various applications. 5. Design, develop, and maintain AI-related infrastructure, including data pipelines, databases, and APIs. 6. Collaborate with stakeholders to understand requirements and translate them into technical specifications. 7. Test and debug AI software components, ensuring their functionality, efficiency, and reliability. 8. Stay updated on the latest AI technologies, trends, and best practices, and propose innovative solutions for continuous improvement. 9. Document software design, development processes, and implementation details for future reference. Requirements. 1. Bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, software engineering, or a related field. 2. Strong programming skills in languages such as Python, Java, or C++. 3. Proficiency in AI and machine learning frameworks such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, or scikit-learn. 4. Solid understanding of data structures, algorithms, and software design principles. 5. Experience with AI development tools and libraries, data processing, and visualization techniques. 6. Knowledge of neural networks, deep learning architectures, and natural language processing. 7. Familiarity with cloud platforms and services, such as AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. 8. Experience in software development methodologies, version control systems, and agile practices. 9. Strong problem-solving and analytical skills to tackle complex AI challenges. 10. Excellent communication and collaboration skills to work effectively within a team. 11. Continuous learning mindset to keep up with advancements in AI technologies and techniques.